Have you ever encountered any difficulties in live production system? Then our HVS-NIF might help you to make it more clear and easy. If you already have our live video switcher HVS-490, all you need is just one card, a size of a passport. In addition to the SDI input from the camera normally used in the broadcast industry, HVS-490 will evolve to support NDI, a protocol for transmitting video and audio over our network. The most compelling aspect by supporting NDI is the ability to transmit video and audio freely from one site to the multiple sites. This allows for high flexibility in routing. From here on, let us explain the use cases of the HVS-490 plus HVS-NIF. By using NDI and increasing the number of inputs, it is now possible to easily create multiple PMPs, like a viewer interactive program. For example, you can project your audience on the screen of a concert venue, or in an esports match, you can display the players and the screens of game players. With the HVS-490, it used to take a lot of time and effort to realize a performance like the one described above, requiring as many PCs as the number of participants to be input to the HVS-490. With NDI input, it is now possible to input without the need for converters or other equipment, thus reducing equipment costs. Next, HVS-490 plus HVS-NIF enables mixed SDI and NDI operation, so videos can be input to the switcher regardless of whether it is being used by an on-site performer or a remote operator. In addition, video can be sent out for normal TV broadcasting, while simultaneously being distributed via NDI, making it possible to mix and match both types of operation. Next, here's an example of how to make send-back operations more convenient. Normally, video is sent by cable to the send-back monitor, where the performer checks the video. But by using NDI, video can be sent without cable. So, by using NDI, it is possible to send images without cables, enabling more flexible construction of facilities. In addition, when there is a remote performer, NDI can send back exactly the same image as the one in the field. Finally, we will discuss working with the PTZ cameras. In a live music event where multiple cameras are used to produce images, a camera operator is needed for each of the cameras. At sites where PTZ cameras are used, multiple controllers must be operated, and a large number of personnel must be allocated for this task. The HVS-490 plus NIF allows each camera to be operated by a switcher. The operation can be realized with fewer people. Apart from going on live, the HVS-490 plus HVS-NIF can realize labor saving and remote distribution in various places such as stages, corporate events, and shareholders meetings. Churches, where PTZ cameras have been increasingly introduced in the recent years, can also expect labor savings with this HVS-NIF. The key is not to use this technology as an alternative to SDI or HDMI, but to use NDI for only what it can do. The HVS-490 plus HVS-NIF has the potential to realize even more wonderful productions depending on your ideas. Let us know what you think.